One way of practicing your English to become fluent and confident is to carry out interesting conversations. When you want to really sound interested in the conversation which you're carrying out, you can use some phrases which I will tell you about today. Suppose you meet someone who's talking to you about a subject which you want to express interest in. You want to carry on the conversation for some time. Then you can say, "Tell me more about this." When you say, "Tell me more about this," it builds a relationship. It also gives you a chance to listen to something which interests you in English. And by listening, you improve yourself. The second phrase which you can use is, "That sounds interesting." This is a compliment. When you pay a compliment to the person you're carrying out a conversation with, that person feels encouraged. And then you can exchange ideas about whatever you have said is interesting. You can also say that I can share an experience with you similar to what you have said. This also builds a relationship. It carries the conversation forward because the person has said something to you. Now you have a similar experience to narrate. Suppose that person is speaking about a difficulty in office. You want to talk about your own difficulty. Or somebody wants to say how he has achieved something. You also want to talk about something which you have achieved. This is very interesting way of carrying out a conversation which is two-way, not only listening but also exchanging ideas. You have put it very well. I couldn't have put it better. Suppose somebody is repeating what you have said. Somebody is trying to summarize what you have said. Then you encourage them by saying, "You have put it very well." Teachers, scientists, researchers very often do this so that the younger generation gets benefited. They learn much more by this kind of an encouraging conversation. You can also say something very interesting, and that is, "Shall we continue to talk about this at some other time?" That means that you are trying to politely say, now the conversation should not continue, but it is interesting. So we can talk about it at some other time.